Hi students, so welcome to today's online class. So in last session already we discussed about problems of exercise 3.3. In this session we have to discuss remaining problems of exercise 3.3. Now come to problem number 14. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Now we have to take LHS, we have to prove RHS. That is sin 2x plus sin 6x, that is sin 2x plus sin 6x is a form of sin x plus sin y. This one we can write, that is LHS equal to sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. Now is the form of sin x plus sin y. That is sin x plus sin y formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. That is 2 sin 2x plus 6x by 2 cos 2x minus 6x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. That is 2 sin 2x plus 6x is 8x by 2 and again cos 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. So cos of minus 4x is minus 4x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. So that is 2 sin, that is 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 sin 4x, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Cos of minus 2x is cos 2x, cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now here common is 2 sin 4x, that is 2 sin 4x is common, that is cos 2x plus 1. So that is equal to 2 sin 4x. So cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. 1 gets cancelled. So remaining is 2 twos are 4. 4 sin 4x cos square x. So this is equal to RHS. Okay. So observe students, prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Now LHS is sin 2x plus sin 6x. Sin 2x sin 6x is one group. Sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x is a form of sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, 2 sin 4x. That is 2 sin 2x plus 6x is 8x by 2 cos 2x minus 6x is 4x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 sin 4x, cos of minus x is cos x, that is cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. I mean in this step 2 sin 4x is common, cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 twos are 4 sin x cos square x equal to, that is equal to what? RHS. So you will move on next problem. Next, problem number 15. So that is problem number 15 is prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. I mean here in this problem we have to take separately, you have to take LHS and separately you have to take RHS. Okay. Now LHS is equal to cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. So that is cot 4x as it is. So here sin x plus sin y formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2, and again cos x minus y by 2, 5x minus 3x divided by 2, that is cot 4x into 2 sin 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x by 2 means 4x, 4x cos 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 means x. So and again cot 4x can be written as cos 4x divided by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. Sin 4x gets cancelled. Remaining is 2 cos 4x cos x. This is equation number 1. Put the equation number 1. Similarly, we have to take RHS. So that is RHS equal to, that is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x is a form of sin x minus sin y formula. Sin x minus sin y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. That is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. That is 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 sin 5x minus 3x divided by 2. That is cot x into 2 cos 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x by 2 means 4x. That is sin 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x by 2 means x. And again this can be written as, cot x can be written as cos x divided by sin x into 2 cos 4x, 2 cos 4x and again sin x. So that is sin x gets cancelled, that is 2 cos 4x into cos x. This is put the equation number 2. Okay. So observe here, equation number 1, I am taking LHS, I am proving this form. Okay. And again I am taking RHS, I got this form. So equation 1 and 2, when LHS, I mean when RHS are equal, then so this term is equal to this term. Okay. So I mean from equation 1 and 2, hence the given equation should be proved. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, the given equation should be proved. Okay, so observe once again, I mean cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So take LHS, apply sin x plus sin y formula and simplifying 2 sin 4x cos x, and again write cot 4x value, this one cancel, we got 2 cos 4x into cos x. Put the equation number 1. Similarly, you have to take RHS and we will prove 2 cos 4x into cos x. So observe equation 1 and 2, this value is equal to this value, therefore LHS equals to RHS, therefore the given problem should be proved. This is the solution for problem number 15. Now come to next problem, that is problem number 16, that is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. That is, prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So similarly you have to take LHS, you have to prove RHS. That is, cos x minus cos y formula is there. Cos x minus cos y formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus, minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. That is minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x divided by 2 and sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2 divided by sin x minus sin y formula is there. That is 2 cos 17x plus 3x divided by 2 sin 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So that is equal to minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x is 14x. 14x divided by 2 sin 9x minus 5x is 4x. 4x divided by 2. That is 2 cos 17x plus 3x is 20x divided by 2 sin 17x minus 3x is 14x divided by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. This term gets cancelled. 4x by 2, that is 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 10s are. What is remaining here? That is minus sin 2x divided by here cos 10x. Cos 10x. That is equal to RHS. Okay. I think all of you cleared. This is a solution for problem number 16. We will move on. We will move on. Problem number, already I given problem number 17 is for you homework. So now come to problem number 18. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y by 2. Prove that sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y equal to tan of x minus y by 2. That is a form of sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y formula is what? 2 cos x plus y by 2, direct formula only. 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. I mean 2 gets cancelled. Cos of x plus y by 2, cos of x plus y 2 get cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. Tan of x minus y by 2. So that is equal to RHS. That's why I am telling you. So please all of you remember all formulas. Okay. So I mean when you will solve for exercise 3.3, these 4 formulas are very, very important. Sin x plus sin y formula, sin x minus sin y formula, cos x plus cos y formula, cos x minus cos y formula. Sin x plus sin y formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Cos x plus cos y formula is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So here in this problem direct apply the formula, direct apply the cos x plus cos y formula. This term cancel, sin by cos is tan. This is solution for problem number 18. Come to next problem. Next problem number 18 is sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x. That is, observe children, sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x is the form of sin x plus sin y cos x plus cos y. That is, sin x plus sin y formula is 2 sin x plus 3x by 2 cos x minus 3x divided by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus 3x divided by 2 cos x minus 3x divided by 2. This 2 gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled because these two terms are like terms. And again here sin x plus 3x is 4x, sin 4x divided by 2 cos x plus 3x is 4x, 4x divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, sin 2x divided by cos 2x is tan 2x. This is the solution for problem number 19. So very simple children, sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x. So now come to LHS, 2 sin x plus 3x by 2 cos x minus 3x by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y formula, 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 cos x minus 3x by 2. 2 gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled, x plus 3x is 4x, x plus 3x is 4x, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, sin 2x divided by cos 2x is tan 2x. So that is equal to RHS. This is a solution for problem number 19. We will move on next problem. Next, come to problem number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. Observe children, that is sin x minus sin 3x divided by, this is very important for 5 marks, that is sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin 3x. Similarly, we have to take LHS, we have to prove RHS. Sin x minus sin y formula is 2 cos x plus 3x divided by 2 sin x minus 3x divided by 2. So whole divided by is the form of sin square minus cos square. I will take minus common. So when you will take minus common, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now I am taking minus common, here plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Minus cos square x minus sin square x. That is 2 cos x plus 3x is 4x divided by 2. Sin x minus 3x is minus 2x divided by 2 divided by minus cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Cos 2x having 4 formulas: cos square x minus sin square x, next 2 cos square x minus 1, next 1 minus 2 sin square x, next one is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. That is here 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2 cos 2x, I mean 2 to gets cancel, sin of minus x is minus sin x divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x gets cancelled, so remaining is minus 2 sin x, that is equal to RHS. Observe children, I mean negative angles are sin of minus x is minus sin x, cos of sin of minus x is minus sin x, cos of minus x is cos x, tan of minus x is minus tan x, cosecant of minus x is minus cosecant x, that is secant of minus x is plus secant x, cot of minus x is minus cot x. Here cos and secant are positive because these two angles will come for fourth quadrant. Cos of minus x and secant, cos secant is present in fourth quadrant, those are positive. Okay, that is sin of minus x is minus sin x, cos of minus x is cos x, tan of minus x is minus tan x, cosecant of minus x is minus cosecant x, secant of minus x is secant of minus x is secant of minus x is secant x, cot of minus x is minus cot x. We will move on next problem. Prove that is problem number 21. So that is prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. So we have to take LHS, we have to prove RHS. That is cos 4x plus cos 3x, that is cos 4x plus cos 3x made the one group, cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x make one group, that is sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. So that is equal to, is a form of cos x plus cos y, is a form of sin x plus sin y. Cos x plus cos y formula is 2 cos 4x plus 2x divided by 2 cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x as it is divided by sin x plus sin y formula. Sin x plus sin y formula is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, that is 4x plus 2x divided by 2 cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus sin 3x. Clear? Now 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x by 2 is 3x, that is 2 cos 3x, I mean cos 4x minus 2x is 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 gets cancelled, cos x plus cos 3x divided by 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x by 2 is 3x, 2 sin 3x, I mean 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x by 2 is cos x plus sin 3x, that is equal to, here common is, this is one term, this is one term, cos 3x is common, cos 3x into remaining is 2 cos x plus 1 divided by, here sin 3x is common, 2 cos x plus 1, this one cancel, cos by sin is cot 3x, this is equal to RHS. I think all of it clear. Here apply cos x plus cos y formula, here apply sin x plus sin y formula, and again on simplifying we will get 2 cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x, 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x, here common is 2 cos 3x, here common is sin 3x, so this term cancel, cos by sin is cot 3x. For you children, so 2 problems are homework. That is, these 2 problems are homework. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. Okay. Next, another problem is cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So these 2 problems are homework for you. Okay, I mean, if you have any doubt, so I already given my number, so contact me. Okay, so I am concluding the class. Thank you everyone.